I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over.
Y'all, I ain't pooped in 2 days. Now, I've been adding fat, so today I added extra fat. I'm a little, to my lunch that I'm taking to work, I'm a little nervous because we got a team meeting afterwards. I eat at 11, and we have a team meeting that for our team from 1 to 3. Y'all, if I have to say, hang on, guys, 11 times, it ain't gonna be good. But thankfully, my team is used to me, and I got Suzanne, she's my co-director, so won't that be a hoot and a half? Hang on. It's colder than Cooter Brown. My thermometer says 46, but I know that's not true. Let's see. There's all kind of, when the snow, sleet, and freezing rain is coming. It's coming. That's what the weather app just said. So, I don't know. Today is Friday. Hey, it's Friday. I decided my lotion at work, it's just not thick. So I'm bringing this one. This is that healing hand cream. There's something different between a cream. Well, I know what's different. A cream and a lotion. Lotions are thin and watery, and creams are a little more thicker. But I'm also picking up some more of that cocoa butter that I have in my house that I sometimes use on my feet. I need to get better about that. There's a whole lot of things, people in life, that we need to get better at. I need to get better at putting lotion on my feet and taking my butt to the gym and not worrying about what I need to be better at. Anyway, so yeah, so that's today. I'll take you along. I don't think it's supposed to start till like at 3 o'clock in the morning. Oh, and I got to go to Walmart shopping tomorrow, so it's going to be interesting. I don't have to go. Here's the thing. I get paid. I make my list. I go. As a hoarder, I tend to have at least one of everything. Everything on my list I have one of. But what I do is I get a backup to whatever is in my pantry. So, and sometimes I'm buying a backup to the backup to the backup, like toilet paper. But we ain't discussing that. Yeah, so we're gonna see what it's like in the morning. This could be exciting. I was gonna go to the gym in the morning with my new, what you call it? I forgot what you call it. Forced, not enthusiasm. Forced, start with the I. Forced inspiration, maybe is what you called it. Anyway, and then I love you people. I was laughing in my comments because about going to the gym. And one of y'all said, I've been following you for 3 years and you've joined the gym twice. It just don't stick. But you keep throwing and you keep sticking. And you keep throwing and maybe something will stick. I probably should get gas. I mean, I'm a little under a half a tank, but I think I'll do that this morning. So, okay, I'll see you at lunchtime, and hopefully I'll remember to tell you if I got gas or not. Not that kind of gas, car gas. Bye. Y'all, I had such a hard time opening the door to come outside of our building. Oh my goodness, the wind is blowing. It's exciting. I get excited during bad weather time just because I'm fascinated by stuff. You know what else I'm fascinated by? I told y'all, I don't know if I told y'all. I'm going to Walmart in the morning. I'm so excited to see what's there. I'll take you all along. Don't worry. If it's open. Anyway, the snow isn't supposed to start here until, I don't know, 6, 7, or whatever. The precipitation. Let's use the right word. Precipitation. When that comes, then I'll see what time. Anyway, yeah. So I am super stoked for my brunch today. Ooh, it's going to be so good. I'll show you here in just a second. I got to be careful, though. Ooh, it's going to be so goody good. I brought another little spoon. I don't know why I torture myself. Anyway, all right, hang on. Let me do this. Let me see if I can aim it down. Look at that goodness. It is ground beef. 180 grams, 1 slice of cheese. I buy the fat-free singles. It's the Great Value brand. Singles cheese. One, I like the taste of it. It tastes fine to me. Plus, it's less calories. And then I can control the calories I want. Now, this is future reference. Man, if I drop a chunk of this down in my coffee, I'll be mad. Anyway, so it's got some cheese. It's got ground beef, bacon, and then I put in some ketchup, some GU's ketchup. I did. Don't be stressing about my version of carnivore. This is Terrivore. You do what's good for you, and I do what's good for me. Okay, anyway, yeah, so it's got ketchup in it and that dill pickle mustard. And I added, since I couldn't, we talked about at the very beginning of this video, since I couldn't do that this morning, I put in some extra fat. So, like I said, we'll see. Hopefully at 1 o'clock in our meeting, I'm not like going, oh, I'll be back. We'll see. I got a little pressure back there, so we'll see. And I ain't even ate this yet. Bacon cheeseburger, baby. I don't care what nobody says. If you can't enjoy the food you're eating, you got a problem. Well, except for poor sweet Nona Grace. She can't enjoy her food because she still can't taste and smell everything very much. So in her case, it's from her COVID. She still can't smell and taste. But I'm just saying, other than her, or, if you got that problem, you got to help you enjoy your food. Hallelujah. So yeah, that's what I got going on. This right here, it's a burger soup. It's soup because there's extra fat in there. I put extra fat in there, so I'll update you later. So I'm gonna just end this now and not jibber jabber. You're gonna see some whitey floaty things, and that's called fur. I got fur particles floating around. I see them really good when I take my glasses off. Let me just put my glasses back on. We don't need to know what's floating around in here. I'm happy you're not knowing. Ignorance is bliss in my life. All right. Love y'all. I'll see you at next thing. Are you guys ready for the snow or ice or whatever we get? Are you all ready? I'm ready. I'm ready, Freddy. I'm about to go home. It is Friday. 4 something after work. It's Friday and I'm ready to go home. I'm gonna go see my dogs. And I've heard, now I don't know, I got a cardinal in my little bird feeder. Oh, and there's his woman. I have a bird feeder outside my work window. It's like a little suction cup. And I put out feed for the cardinals and stuff. Anyway, yeah, so the snow's coming tomorrow. We'll see what happens. I have a plan. I'm going to go home and I'll make sure I open my cabinets that go under my kitchen sink. Those are the only pipes that are like along the exterior wall. And then my plan is, in case the power goes out, I'm going to make sure I bring some nails inside. Because if worse comes to worse and I freeze, I figure I can hang some blankets like in the walkway from the living room to the kitchen and from the living room to the hallway, and then just drag my bed into the living room, and me and the dogs can have a bunking party. Not my bed, but my mattress. We can have a little bunking party. So I don't know. It's the warmest room in my house, or coolest room. So like whatever it is outside, it's the opposite. All right, guys, I'm getting hungry. I did good. I didn't eat nothing I shouldn't. I'm proud of myself. So, all right. And, I ate that extra. Oh, there's a lady cardinal. Oh, and there's her boyfriend. Boy, there's some fat cardinals. I know that's not very size sensitive to call that cardinal fat. But he is. He's got a big old pot belly. He's like, hey, lady, you sure keep me full. Keep him full and happy. What was it? Oh, yeah, I did not have a movement in the middle of the meeting. Thank you, Jesus. I haven't had a movement yet. But anyway, all right, I love you people. I'll see you all at Lupper. Bye. Really quick, it is 17 degrees out here right now. So, okay, gotta go. Bye. Hello. It is, I call it brunch and Lupper. I eat brunch around 11 and Lupper whenever I get home from work. That's what I call it. Oh, look at her. Let me just cover her lady parts. Girl. Girl. She's like, did you call me? Yes, I'm talking to you, ma'am. You're showing us your business. That's private. You keep your business private. Yes, ma'am. That girl. She says, ain't nothing private around this place, woman. You tell everybody everything. All right, so as usual, shut up. I have a pork steak. Man, I am so interested in how this snow is, or ice, or whatever is going to turn out. So I got pork steak. Ooh, I got my new bacon salt. And onion salt. Oh. One of y'all said that you put dots on your thingy so you know which one's the shaker side. Hopefully, I'll remember. I'm going to take this to my kitchen, and maybe tomorrow, if I remember, I'll do that on the other things in there too. So, oh yeah, so. And then I got my frozen protein powder, protein shake. This is peanut butter, no. Banana and just plain banana and chocolate. I've usually done the chocolate peanut butter. Let's see. Now listen. Y'all know I love this, okay? Y'all know I love keto chow. I even have a link in the description of this video where you can save 10% and I get a 10% kickback. But you don't have to use keto chow, and you don't have to go out and buy no Ninja Creamy. When my Ninja died and I had to wait like 3 or 4 days, I took protein powder and mixed it with yogurt. And I took protein powder and I mixed it with cottage cheese. You ain't got to use the same stuff as me. You ain't got to have ice cream every night. It's 17 degrees outside. You don't need no ice cream. You can just take yogurt, Greek yogurt. Whatever yogurt you like. You ain't got to use Greek yogurt. You just make up your own stuff. And then it'll be like a pudding. Because when I made it, when I whipped it up, it was more like a, you know how the inside of a cheesecake is kind of fluffy? That's how. I don't know if you can hear that cow's going. She's rolling on the bed. By the way, top blanket was off. All right, anyway, I'm home. I'm ready to just chill out. I'm going to pull up my video game. I'm going to play that for a little while. And thank you for the idea about the dots, so that way I know which side I need to open my electrolytes on. I love you people, and don't you worry. We'll check back tomorrow. So this video is part of my When the Weight Comes Back series. And, oh yeah, Weigh Day is Sunday morning. I don't know if we're having church Sunday. Pastor posted a video on Facebook that they don't know yet, but they'll tell everybody on Saturday. There's supposed to be baptism Sunday, but they've notified all the people who are getting baptized and told them that it's postponed until next week and the next. So the next 2 Sundays. By the way, if you watch somebody's video, when you're watching a video, and you look in the, like in the title, there's a button that says more. If you push that button, you can see all kinds of links. I have a bunch of links in there. Links to my church if you want to watch it. The Keto Chow link if you want to get some Keto Chow and get a 10% discount. If you want to just try 1 or 2 flavors or whatever. Anyway, so if you go there, I have things that I think are that I like to, that just seems special. She's still rolling around in there. But anyway, so the link to my church is in the description of my video. It's on YouTube. So if you watch me on YouTube, you can watch them on YouTube. Anyway, so this is part of my When Weight Comes Back series. Real maintenance, one day at a time, and I'll see you tomorrow.